At ReAgent, we have recently made some upgrades to our cleanrooms. The most significant upgrade has improved our cleanroom's functionality. We replaced our original curtained sides with solid plastic sides and doors to enhance performance. This has had the added benefit of improving their appearance. As part of this, we have added employee changing and product loading areas to ensure cleanliness throughout the manufacturing process. We also upgraded all the cable, air and pipe routes to make the cleanrooms more secure and adaptable. These upgrades have enhanced performance, made maintenance and cleaning easier, and helped maintain cleanroom conditions when in use. In our cleanrooms, we can manufacture products that require either Class 7 or Class 8 cleanroom facilities. For example, they're ideal for manufacturing chemicals for use in medical devices. We can also provide active particle count measurement according to required limits. How can we meet your business needs for cleanroom chemical manufacturing? Contact us today to discuss your requirements.